After a wonderful morning playing in the waterfalls, we started our journey back up the Rio, passing this beautiful statue in honor of the founder of Livingston, Robert Livingston. At this point in the river, there is a natural spring, fresh spring water, where often the locals come and gather the water that pours off of this rock as it's fresh, clean drinking water. This is where we came to have lunch and play like a kid again. The slide and the swings were so much fun. After lunch and some fun playtime, we got to explore the hot springs that runs all through this cave.
Oh wow, they're right there.
Here you can see animal bones up high in the ceiling of the cave. And lots of cave creatures, from spiders to bats to crabs. And 2 cave monsters. After exploring the caves, we had fun in the hot springs, which was amazing. Unfortunately, I didn't get video of that. After the hot springs, we got to explore the mangroves. We learned about the local birds.
Look at them with the yellow beak. Yeah, they're all doing it.
And I was in awe at the beauty of these lily pads. These flowers were just stunning. And we ended our day with this beautiful rainbow. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. And if you like what I've shared, please like, follow, and share it.